Hello everyone, welcome to Language Training Online. Today, you will learn the most important thing in English grammar. It is about conjunctions. What is conjunctions? The word conjunctions coined from the Latin word congere. Congere means join together, work together, combine together, or link together. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, and sentences, like peanut, butter, and jelly. Key concept. And this key concept will help you to know or to clarify what is conjunctions and why do we use conjunction. Conjunction is a linker or joining words. Conjunctions is a scope of grammatical words. Conjunctions avoiding the text sim, bullet, point, and to make the text flow. Let's see example. I take milk and sugar in my teeth. The word "and" is a conjunction because it linked milk and sugar. Else, send you a map so that you can find the place more easily. The word "so that" is a conjunction because it links two sentences together. I'll send you a map and you can find the place more easily. I always visit Disneyland whenever I visit my grandparents in California. I always is a one sentence. I visited my grandparents in California is a one sentence. So the word whenever is a conjunction because it links two sentences together. Jason went to get a drink of water before his exam started. The word "before" is a conjunction because it links two sentences together. Conjunctions are words which connect sentences, clauses, or group of words. Some learners know them as connector or joining words. Sentence: the number of words forming complete statements. Example: I won it. We enjoy playing cricket. Clause. Clause is a part of sentence having its own subject and predicate. Example: Michael has a friend who is rich. So this sentence is a clause. Another example: she's crying because you were unkind. Types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and